Research has shown that this particular African leaf have some beneficial effects in disease management in poultry. Such effects are anti-coccidiosis, anti-parasitic, and also as a growth promoter for enhancing gastrointestinal enzymes, thereby increasing the feed conversion ratio in poultry birds. If this happens to be your first time of coming across my channel, do well by liking this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. In this video, I will show you how to use Velonia amygdalina leaf to prevent and treat coccidiosis and as well improve growth rate of your broilers. Coccidiosis in broilers is usually characterized by bloody diarrhea, dysentery, emaciation, lower feed conversion ratio, dropping wings, poor growth, and low egg production. All these and many more are symptoms of coccidiosis. It is better in poultry farming to prevent coccidiosis than treating coccidiosis. Coccidiosis can be treated or prevented using either organic way or synthetic way, but the most potent one is the organic. And among the organic herbs that are available for treating and preventing coccidiosis is Velonia amygdalina, also known as bitter leaf. This plant is found everywhere in Africa, especially in West Africa, and the chlorophyll have shown to be very potent in treating coccidiosis. There are two major ways to extract bitter leaf juice depending on the quantity required. Bitter leaf can be extracted by hand squeezing or by the use of kitchen blender. If you are going to be doing it in a large quantity, using blender will take time, but hand squeezing is more faster. The juice is expected to be as thick as wine. To use manual method, which is hand squeezing, you have to gather some bitter leaf, remove the leaves from the stem as I did, and rinse them in a bowl. You have to rinse properly till you extract the chlorophyll. You can see as I'm using hand to scrub. So after you have squeezed properly and you extract out the chlorophyll, then you will be sieving it. What we are interested in is the chlorophyll. So now you are going to sieve the chlorophyll. So the quantity you are going to squeeze out, or the quantity that you will be needing depending on the number of birds. This quantity we are doing now is just for 200 birds, 200 broilers, which are 6 days old. Remember, weekly you are to be given your coccidiosis drug at least 1 day or 2 days in a week to prevent coccidiosis from happening. And for those that do vaccinate their birds synthetically, it is very important for you to give coccidiosis, anti-coccidiosis, before you vaccinate, at least 2 days before vaccination. This will help your birds to clear any coccidiosis if they are having before you vaccinate. So we've extracted the chlorophyll. So we are going to be giving them the chlorophyll, the juice. After extracting the chlorophyll, this is what we're having left. So you can spray this in the room to dry it, and after drying you can mix with their feed, or if you have a bigger birds, you can mix inside their water like this. They will eat it. It's very good for them as well. But for these birds, this particular batch, they are just 6 days old and they will be taking just the water. So I told you there is no overdose when it comes to bitter leaf in the treatment or our prevention of coccidiosis. The thicker it is, the better it works, and you should give at least 1 day or 2 days in a week if you really don't want to battle with coccidiosis in your farm. So now we are going to dish out the extract for our birds to drink. Remember, this is very bitter, but it is very good for them. This helps to prevent coccidiosis and many other sicknesses. Apart from that, it also boosts weight gain in broilers farming. So we'll be giving this to our birds 2 days every week, 2 days in a week, I told you bitter leaf is very cheap, very cheap. This is the cheapest way of treating and preventing coccidiosis as far as I'm concerned. So, and it's very effective. I can say this is more effective than most of the synthetic medication for coccidiosis control at the vet shop. So you serve them this, they will drink and they will be very okay. You observe their poo after they've drank this, and you see that there will be significant changes in the color of the poo, and your birds will be very active, and it will help to remove most of the toxins in their stomach. So this is the right way to prevent and treat coccidiosis when it comes to poultry farming. Give them fresh, give them weekly, and you won't have issue with coccidiosis again. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, use this medium to subscribe. Like this video, share this video with other farmers. It might be helpful to them.